Hello student, I am Dilip Gupta, your chemistry teacher. Today's our second lecture is of some basic concept of chemistry. That is, we are going to be discuss the measurement. Measurement, it is also the interesting and very basic point. So measurement. A measurement are made with instrument. A ruler is an instrument for measuring length. A weighing scale is used to measure the weight. A clock is used to measure time. A thermometer is used to measure temperature, and so on. These are all the parameters which are measurable property for different substance. Okay, measurement having two basically part, that is a number and a unit, like 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 kilogram, 23 degree centigrade. These are the measurement having two number, that is one numbers and another is units. Okay, these are the uh, measurements. Now another, we are going to be discuss the international system of units. Now we are talking about the international system of unit. What is the international system of unit? The scientists all over the world use the SI unit. SI unit means international system units. That is the unit that form the international system of units. The base unit used to measure the seven fundamental, you know that there are two units, that is one is a fundamental unit and another one is the derived unit. So the fundamental physical quantities in this system, seven fundamental. So physical quantity, name of unit and symbols. So in physical quantity is length represented by L, its name of unit is meter, symbol is M. Mass represented by small m, name of unit is kilogram and symbol is kg. Time represented by small t, name of unit is second or symbol is s. And physical quantity electric current, capital I is, name of unit is ampere, symbol is capital A. And the another is physical quantity is temperature represented by capital T, its name of unit is Kelvin, symbol is capital K. And the physical quantity is luminous intensity, its name of unit is candela, symbols is CD. And the last one, seventh fundamental unit is physical quantity is amount of substance represented by small n, name of the unit is mole, symbol is MOL. Okay, now we are going to discuss the derived unit. The unit for measuring all other physical quantities can be derived from the base units. Hence, they are called the derived units. The units which are arised from the base unit, that is fundamental unit, are called the derived unit. Okay. Now, for example, density. You know that density is equal to mass by volume. Means SI unit of density is equal to SI unit of mass and SI unit of volume. SI unit of mass is kg. SI unit of volume is meter cube, is equal to kg per meter cube. Okay. Now another physical quantity and derived unit. For example, physical quantity and their derived unit. Okay, like velocity, distance upon time, meter per second. Acceleration, velocity per time, velocity divided by time, and meter per second per time, meter per second square. Okay, force is equal to mass into acceleration, kg into meter per second square. Work is equal to force into displacement, Newton into meter is equal to kg meter per second square into meter. Power is equal to work by time, joule per second. And surface tension is equal to force per unit length, Newton per meter is equal to kg meter per second square divided by meter. Angular momentum is equal to linear momentum गुणे length and kg meter per second into m. Now some common non-SI unit. Some common non-SI unit mean SI unit you have already above discussed, that is the seven fundamental unit, and except these fundamental unit, some other non-SI units are like the liter. L is commonly used to measure the volume of liquid. 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay. Now Now the Celsius, another is the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are still used to measure temperature. For example, the average human body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, or in Fahrenheit 98.6 Fahrenheit. Okay, Kelvin is equal to degree centigrade plus 273.15. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 degree centigrade plus 32. And third one is the non-SI unit is the angstrom is a unit used to measure a small length. Angstrom is used to measure the small length such as the wavelength of light. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Now another is converting unit SI prefixes by using multiples or submultiples of the base unit. Now how can we know about the SI prefixes? So there are some factors and their SI prefixes and their symbols. Okay, factors is 10 to the power 10 raised to the power 18, prefix is exa, symbols E. 10 to the power 15, prefix is penta, symbols P. 10 power 12, tera, symbols is capital T. 10 power 9, 10 power 9 giga, symbols is capital Z. 10 power 6 mega, represented by capital M. 10 power 3 kilo, represented by K. 10 power 2 hecto, represented by H. 10 power 10, 10 power 1 or 10 is a deca, represented by DA. Another is factors which are raised to the power negative, that is the 10 power minus 1, prefix is deci, symbols small d. 10 power minus 2 centi, small c. 10 power minus 3 milli, small m. 10 power minus 6 micro, mu. 10 power minus 9 nano, small n. 10 power minus 12 pico, small p. 10 power minus 15 femto, small f. 10 power minus 18 atto, small a. These are the SI prefixes converting units. Okay, now in our next lectures, very important, we will discuss the dimensional analysis. Okay, thank you.